So about 2.5 years ago, I'm on my way to work and I'm running down the stairs. I trip and fall. I have a really bad accident. I hurt my one knee. I blew my quad tendon out on the other, and I was pretty much in a hospital bed for a few months. That's when I stopped making channels about camping. And I've been wanting to get back to doing that. But the problem is, it's just not in the cards for me for a little while. But I did learn when I was in that hospital bed AI. I learned how to use ChatGPT. At the time, I was working from home, and it was able to give me a lot of skills that help me in my everyday job. That's why I want to pivot my channel, and I want to help you guys because I miss you. AI is everywhere, and the people that are teaching it are a lot of these young guys. They don't really fit in with our crowd, and they talk fast. They use all kinds of machine learning and all this technical language, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go slow, teach you what I've learned, and help you be able to use ChatGPT or Gemini or whichever model that you choose to really help you in your life. Give you real life examples of what it can do. I've used it for all kinds of things, from figuring out what's wrong with my plants to making a grocery schedule to copywriting for my job to helping me edit videos. Pretty much AI will help me do almost anything that I know. And I want to share that knowledge with you. I want to teach you how to use ChatGPT in your everyday life, in your hobbies, in your work, how to make your schedules better. I want to teach you how to automatically connect it to things like your email accounts and things like that that are going to make your life a lot simpler. There's not going to be any technical jargon. There's not going to be sales pitches. I just truly want to help you guys learn AI. I've really enjoyed it. It's made my life a lot of fun. And I hope that it makes your guys' life fun too. So come along and join me, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm going to teach you a lot.